Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install Snap on Linux. So, in order to do it, we have to go into terminal. So I will go into show apps and on the terminal. And it's very important to say that the Ubuntu that I'm using, Snap is installed by default. So if you are using Ubuntu, if you write Snap version, you will see that your Snap is installed. But if you somehow don't have it, or if you are using different, for example, distributions that don't have a Snap installed by default, you can use the command sudo apt install. And also, that's very important to say that sudo apt install works for Debian and Ubuntu. If you are using, for example, Fedora or some different distributions, there might be a different installation command. So for example, on Fedora it is sudo dnf install, so you have to check it on your own. And right now I can type in snapd and press enter. Of course I have to type in my password, and right there, as you can see, my Snap is already the newest version, so nothing has been installed, but it's okay. And right now, after the installation, what do you have to do? You have to basically enable and start the Snap service. How do we do it? We can do it by typing in sudo systemctl enable, and right now minus and now, because we want to start and enable it now, and snapd. Right now I can press enter and it worked. And after these two steps you can again type in Snap version and you will see that your Snap is installed. And right now we can also, for example, for the test, view the list of our snaps. So for example, I will type something like this, snap list, and these are the versions of our snaps. These are not versions, but the snaps that are installed on our computer. And how do we check if our Snap is installed correctly? We can install for example, a Snap package. I will install, for example, sudo. And how do we install packages with Snap? Sudo snap install, and I will install hello world and press enter. And right now, as you can see, our installation started. Here we have the percentage of our installation. We have to wait a bit, and in the second our hello world package will be installed. And as you can see, hello world package 6.4 from Canonical installed. And right now we can again type in snap list and press, and we can see and read that the hello world is here, so everything is fine and our Snap is working correctly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.